Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, want to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving your media to USB storage? You're on the right video. So, I'll show you how to turn off USB storage for WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So, let's get right into it. First of all, WhatsApp automatically saves your photos, videos, and other media to your device's storage. Sometimes it uses your USB storage, which is your external SD card, to store this media, but you can easily turn that off. First, open your WhatsApp app and tap on three dots in the top right corner to the Start menu. Now under Settings, tap on Storage and Data. Here you can manage your media and download preferences. Next, we need to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving media to USB storage. Scroll down to Media Auto Download, tap on when using mobile data or when connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming. Uncheck your photos, audios, videos, and the documents. This will stop WhatsApp from automatically saving your media files to your phone's storage, including your USB storage. So if you want to keep control, you can always manually download media by tapping on the file when you want to view it, and it will be saved to your phone's internal storage instead of your USB. So that's it. You have successfully turned off your WhatsApp ability to save media automatically to USB storage, and you can now manage what gets saved manually. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.